Hello everyone, we will begin a series of videos about Next2XF. Our main focus will be the programming software, and in today's video I'll show you how to download the software free of charge and with no registration required. To do this, simply go to the Autos website and scroll down until you find the downloads option right here. After clicking on it, you will be redirected to the download center, and here scroll down to the download filters. And here you can select in category the softwares option, then go in series and select Next2XF, and finally in function select programming software. And below here you can see software, you can expand this option, and here you can find Master2X, which is the Next2XF programming software for download. Also, in this same website you can download all the documentation, manuals, and training documentations about Next2XF. And to do this, you first have to clear all the filters. So let's click the clear button. Then let's start everything again. We go here in category, then go into datasheet. Then in series, we select Next2XF. And finally, in function, select general documents. And here you can find all the manuals and handouts about Next2XF, datasheets, and presentations. That's it for today's video, and I see you on the next one.